In 1997, the aviation pioneer Warren Vanderburgh gave a lecture on automation, where he called pilots that are too dependent on the magenta-colored guiding system children of the magenta. Ever since that lecture, the term has been used to spark discussion about how technology is changing all industries and making them seem like they are becoming easier. Whatever your job is, think about how your occupation was 30 years ago. No matter how good you are in your field, you wouldn't be half as good without the current technology helping you. So, are we all becoming children of the magenta? Well, not really. To understand what I mean, take a look at the gymnastics in 1950s Olympics compared to the more recent one. They look like amateurs next to modern Olympians. And just by tracing the winning Olympics high jumps over the years, you can clearly see it's going up with time. Jumps that used to win gold medals wouldn't qualify for bronze medals nowadays. So what changed? I mean, the human biological abilities were the same. And as far as I know, technology didn't have much of an effect either. What changed is that more people got into gymnastics, which means the chances of anyone getting into the Olympics, let alone winning one, became much slimmer. 20 years ago, you needed to be an IT genius to make a website. Nowadays, any idiot can do that. In fact, every day thousands of people who have no knowledge in IT make their own websites, but only a handful actually succeed. Perhaps technology did make our jobs easier, but at the same time, it raised the bar for what is considered to be good. So making a website, troubleshooting a broken device, or even managing accounts for a large corporation is not as impressive as it used to be. Being labeled extraordinary now requires much more skill.